In the stillness of suspense, time hangs like a pendulum, swinging between hope and despair. The weight of waiting is a poignant exploration of human heart, suspended between longing and uncertainty. This poem delves into the depths of emotional limbo, where the weight of waiting threatens to overwhelm. Join me on this intimate journey as I navigate the fragile landscape of the waiting soul. The weight of waiting. Beneath the stars' twinkling gaze, where dreams sleep, miracle waits a sentinel, with heart and soul asleep. The hours tick by, like autumn leaves that fall, each moment heavy, weighed upon her wall. The clock's cadence beat, a mournful steady pace, a metronome of longing, marking time and space. Her heart, a canvas, stretched and worn so thin, a fragile vessel holding tears within. In this liminal space, she hovers, lost and alone, a traveler between worlds without a place to call home. The weight of waiting presses like a physical pain, a constant reminder of love's delayed refrain. Memories of joy now taunt and tease, echoes of laughter fading like a summer breeze. The ache within, a hollowed, gnawing space, a yearning that refuses to find its proper place. Time's elasticity stretches, then snaps back tight, leaving her breathless, gasping through the night. The darkness whispers secrets of what may never be, and she, a fragile leaf, trembles, clinging to the tree. Yet, still she waits, a steadfast, hopeful heart, a lighthouse standing against life's uncertain start. For in the waiting, a glimmer shines so bright, a promise of tomorrow, a beacon in the night. The weight of waiting wears her like a shroud, a heavy mantle draped upon her shoulders proud. But even in the darkness, a spark remains, a flame of faith that guides her through life's maze and pains. And when the waiting ends and dawn breaks through, she'll rise, renewed, with heart and soul anew. For in the weight of waiting, she's found a truth profound, that love and hope, like roots, grow stronger underground.